Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hi. The best internet resources about. I have a new laptop and need to reinstall iTunes. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about I have a new laptop and need to reinstall iTunes is support.apple.com. See the page titled Remove and Reinstall iTunes and Related Software. Here's the link. You can also try answers.yahoo.com, especially the page my computer is saying that I need to reinstall iTunes, if. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see support.apple.com. The web page Remove and Reinstall iTunes and other software components. Here's the link.